what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to renew vehicle registration in NYC online. So first, you may want to head over to ny.gov's website. And from here, just scroll down and click on Renew Vehicle Registration and start by clicking on the Renew button. So from this page, you can start by choosing what are you renewing. So you can choose if vehicle or trailer, boat or snowmobile. So of course, we're going to choose vehicle. Then just proceed by clicking on continue. And from here, all you have to do is enter in the vehicle or trailer information, starting with the plate number. Next is, of course, the three-digit registration class, last name or business name, five-digit zip code, email address, and of course, you're going to need to verify email address. Once everything is done, is just proceed on the continue button. And from here, you should be redirected to the payment page where all you have to do is provide payment information or card information, pay for the renewal. You can also just sign in to my DMV account to renew your vehicle registration more conveniently and easily. And all you have to do is log in with your username and password so you can start your renewal. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!